हेलो किड्स। आज की वीडियो में हम बर्ड्स नेम सीखेंगे इंग्लिश और हिंदी में। बट डू यू नो देयर आर सम बर्ड्स दैट कैन नॉट फ्लाई। जी हाँ, कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसी होती हैं जो उड़ नहीं सकती। सो लेट्स लर्न बर्ड्स नेम। द फर्स्ट बर्ड इज क्रेन। CRANE, क्रेन। सारस। क्रेन मतलब सारस। CRANE, क्रेन, सारस। The next one is cuckoo. CUCKOO. Cuckoo, कोयल. CUCKOO. Cuckoo, कोयल. The next is dove. DOVE, dove, fakta. Dove, fakta. DOVE, 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 fakta. The next is eagle. EAGLE, eagle, cheel. EAGLE, eagle, cheel. Eagle, cheel. This beautiful bird is flamingo. FLAMINGO, flamingo, rajhans. Flamingo matlab rajhans. Now this is goose. GOOSE, goose. Goose, हंस. GOOSE, goose. Goose matlab हंस. And this one is hawk. HAWK, hawk. Hawk means baj. Hawk, baj. HAWK, hawk, baj. And this beautiful bird is kingfisher. KINGFISHER. Kingfisher, cordelia. Kingfisher, cordelia. This is nightingale. NIGHTINGALE. Nightingale, bulbul. Nightingale means bulbul. And this one is ostrich. OSTRICH. Ostrich, shuturmurg. Do you know this bird cannot fly? Yes, it is true. The next one is quail. QUAIL, quail, buttertail. Quail, buttertail. QUAIL, quail means buttertail. This is skylark. SKYLARK. Skylark, chatak. SKYLARK, skylark, chatak. This cute one is sparrow. SPARROW. Sparrow, goraya. SPARROW. Sparrow, goraya. The next one is vulture. VULTURE. Vulture, gidd. VULTURE. Vulture means gidd. And the last one is woodpecker. WOODPECKER. Woodpecker, katforwa. Woodpecker means katforwa.